afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Friday, February the 15th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you guys by WallStreetTrading.com. I hope you guys are having a great day so far today. Let's go ahead and talk about this market here. The Dow Jones is pretty much flat, down 6 1/4. Taking a look at the comp Q, Q's down close to 2 points here. Russell 2000, sorry about that. Russell 2000 is up 0.5 point. The S&P is down 1 1/4. Taking a look at a couple key sectors here. Starting off with the oil index. The oil index is down about 15 points. USO is down 66 cents. Gold broke down. GLD broke down just like we were expecting here. GLD is down $2.79, getting smoked. Taking a look at the GDX is down $1.40. Taking a look at JJC Copper. Copper's down 12 cents. Silver's down 61 cents. Euro is weak. Dollar is strong. We take a look at the ES here. We pretty much nailed the market this morning in our chat room. If you have not been to our chat room yet and you want access, you can send me an email at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com so you can start capitalizing in these markets. If you're having a tough time maneuvering through these markets here, we'd be more than happy to get you involved with us in the chat room here. In any case, you could take a look at the SPY. You can see we came down right to our support level, but going into the morning session, we were watching these levels here, the 15, 20, 75 level, the 15, 18 level, 15, 22 level. And I stated this morning, I gave the guys in the chat room these levels to watch. 15, 19 is R1, 15, 20 is R2, 15, 21, 15, 22 is R3. And pretty much all the resistance levels were a point away apart from each other, basically letting you know that there's a lot of resistance stacked on top of each other. So we're waiting for the market to roll over. So if you guys follow me on Facebook, you guys will see that I was buying the VXX this morning, scalping that around, buying that one on the dips. And that idea worked out pretty well. Didn't get that nice little whoosh move that we were looking for, but there definitely were some nice scalp opportunities there. And then the market started getting that selling pressure. And really once the market broke this key little upward channel that we had in play here, that's when we started getting some more selling pressure. You can see they bounced the market off the trend line the first time, came in, made that little higher low, and this was a perfect time to get short for that nice little move down. Rallied it back up, held below the trend line, and came right back in again, and now we're rallying back up again. See if we can put a series of lower highs here, and that's definitely going to tell us something a little bit different about the market. Aside from that, you still have Apple's down $4.48 from the opening price. We have CF down $2.80 from the opening price. Amazon's down $2.36 from the opening price. So just a couple of heavy hitters that are down today. Some stocks showing some nice strength today. Take a look at this Zillow stock. Zillow showing some nice strength today. Nothing but buyers in there today. Zillow, while the market's showing relative weakness, keep that stock on watch. This stock could be a nice little I already know the stock is a high beta stock, so it could be a nice little explosive move in that stock today, possibly, if it can get back above 45 and hold. And that's about it. So let's go and take a look at the rest of these ETFs here on the indices, since I know some of you guys out there trade them. Again, prime example of the SPY, nice little upward bearish channel that we broke down out of here. You can see we were having trouble breaking above the previous day's highs, so we were basically taking that opportunity to accumulate some shorts, and we got paid off pretty well. Still a nice whoosh move, and now we're retracing back on low volume. Even though the selling volume that we got in today did not happen on high volume, that's something to take note of as well. And again, the VXX really should have exploded this morning if we were going to have some real selling pressure, as people were probably looking to buy a lot of protection, but that didn't happen. So therefore, this is just another regular day. I mean, pretty much the market's flat. But maybe this could be setting us up for some selling pressure next week, which I think is going to happen. And which, when it happens, we're going to nail the market and make a lot of profit. So you want to make sure you get involved. Take a look at the triple Qs here. Let me expand this chart here for you guys. The triple Qs. The triple Qs are just still hanging in there. We're still trading in this little range on the triple Qs between this 67.60, 67.65 area and this 68.20 area. So the Qs are now trading sideways, but they're still holding above that key 67.38 level that we've been talking about. So not really much there. And then we take a look at the IWM. The IWM was the one holding the market up this morning before we rolled over. But once the IWM started showing some weakness, that's when we started pushing our shorts a little bit more to the downside here. And that's exactly what we were telling our guys in the room to watch for. So let's see what happens in the afternoon session. A couple stocks that you want to watch going into the afternoon that were strong yesterday that are now pulling back. Make sure you take a look at this Halliburton, since it was strong yesterday. Take a look at some of these energy stocks, DO. even though the energy stocks were a little bit weak this morning. But that's really about it, guys. Not much to talk about here today. The gold miners sold off, just like we were mentioning here. QCOM's making a nice reversal. Keep an eye on QCOM. QCOM's making a nice reversal. Held that 65.40 level. And that's about it, guys. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys for the weekend review that will be out Saturday evening. Catch you guys then. Cheers.